This topic is units and measurements. First, let us learn what is the physical quantity. The quantity which expressed in the terms of laws of physics, which can be expressed or which can be shown by directly or indirectly, is called a physical quantity. Then, physical quantity is divided into two types. There are fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. What is fundamental physical quantity? Fundamental physical quantity is that which does not depend upon any physical quantity like mass, length, time, etc. What is derived quantity? Derived quantity is that which depends on fundamental physical quantity. This depends on, for example, area, volume, force, etc. Now, let us learn about them. Now, let us learn about the symbols of that quantities. First, fundamental quantities. Quantity and symbol. Okay. First fundamental quantity is that mass, symbol M, length, symbol L, time, symbol T, amount of substance, mole. We don't need to know and etc. We have to know these three physical quantities for dimensional formula. Then, what is dimensional formula? What is dimensional formula? Is that is powers of the exponents like 1 power 2, 2 power 2 we will write in maths, but in physics we will write for the fundamental physical quantities we write the dimensional formula. For example, if we take force equals to mass into acceleration. First, we know that the mass is equals to m, length is equals to L, and time is equals to t. So m is equals to mass. We don't know about acceleration, so we extend, right? What is acceleration? Velocity by time. What is velocity? Displacement by time. We know time is t, so then extend, we write displacement by time into time. Now we know that mass into displacement means the shortest path. What is the shortest path? Length. Let us consider as L. Time into time. Then m into L is equals to ml by t into t, t square. If this comes up, mlt power minus 2. Fourth dimensional formula is mlt power minus 2. If we kept these square brackets, that indicates that we are dealing with the dimensions. Understood? Friends, please listen carefully. These are the very important for inter and further classes. Next we will do for the velocity. What is velocity? In that we learned about velocity is equals to displacement by time. What is displacement? Length. Considered as length by time. If time comes up Lt power minus 1, then velocity is equals to brackets. What the bracket indicates? Yes, right. The bracket indicates that we are dealing with the dimensions and the dimensional formulas. Let's consider acceleration. Acceleration is equals to velocity by time. We have to remember these formulas. For 8th class. Acceleration velocity by time. Acceleration is equals to, what is velocity? Velocity we found here. Velocity equal Lt power minus 1 by t. Then we write, if this come up, Lt power minus 1 into t power minus 1. What is the answer? Lt power minus 2. Understood? Next we'll write about some more. What will write? Speed. Speed is equals to formula distance by time. What is distance? If the displacement is L, then distance is also L, is equals to L by T. Lt power minus 1. See how? Velocity is equals to Lt power minus 1. This is equals to Lt power minus 1. For this, we further write m power 0 Lt power minus 1. This also with the square brackets. M power 0 L power 1 T power minus 1. We consider as like this. First, let's the dimensional formula for velocity and speed are same. This is the dimensional writing of the dimensional formulas. Let's write about work. Work is equals to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Force is equals to mass into acceleration into displacement. Okay, what is mass? M. Right here. Acceleration is equals to velocity by time into L. Displacement means L. We wrote in here. What is the velocity? Velocity means Lt power minus 1. If m power 0 is equals to 1, then the formula is Lt power minus 1. M into Lt power minus 1 by T into L. Then ml square T power minus 1 into T power minus 1. The dimensional formula of work is ml square T power minus 2. Okay. Then in next video we'll learn about some more topics about the units and measurements. Thank you.